but mostly the river road.
Do the locals want more tourism, or are they fed up?
No, they're not fed up here because tourism is not a big thing in Montpellier. No, it's not a big thing compared to Provence or... there are visitors, more and more, but as you've seen, the shops are not... they're nice shops, but they're not only for the tourists. And well, but the thing is that how people could be... the main industry here is agriculture and tourism, even if it's not that big yet. It could be even bigger. Then we need to build more infrastructures, hotels, and so what else could, and research labs and small companies, but tourism is, I mean, even if people complain, but usually they don't work in tourism, or they work in another field, but you know, in France these days tourism is one of the main industries. It's very important to our country. I can't remember what's the percentage of our net product it represents, but interior net